Hey everyone, welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. I'm Brielle, and today I'm super excited to check out the Arlo Video Doorbell 2K second generation, a smart way to keep your front door secure. If you're looking for an affordable, feature-packed video doorbell to boost your home security, stick around to see if this one's for you. Let's dive into the features. The Arlo Video Doorbell 2K offers crisp 2K HDR video with a 180-degree field of view, so you can see everything from head to toe, including packages on the ground. It's got infrared night vision for clear footage in the dark and full duplex two-way audio to chat with visitors or scare off intruders. You can install it wired for constant power or use the rechargeable battery for a wire-free setup. No hub needed, just a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection. The Arlo Secure app sends real-time motion alerts and lets you activate the built-in siren remotely. With an optional Arlo Secure plan, you get 30 days of cloud storage and smart detection for people, packages, and vehicles. It also works with Alexa, Google Home, and Samsung SmartThings for easy smart home integration. Now, the pros: the 2K video is sharp and the wide-angle view leaves no blind spots, making it great for monitoring your doorstep. Setup is a breeze. Most users have it up in minutes, whether wired or wireless. The two-way audio is clear and the app's notifications are fast and reliable. At around $80, it's one of the most budget-friendly 2K doorbells out there, earning high praise from users for its performance. The night vision and 12x digital zoom are perfect for spotting details, and the weather-resistant design handles rain, snow, or heat. But there are some cons. The Arlo Secure plan, starting at $5 a month, is needed for video storage and smart alerts, which adds to the cost. It doesn't support local storage, so you're reliant on the cloud. The battery lasts about 6 months but can drain faster with heavy use. Some users report occasional app glitches or Wi-Fi connectivity issues, and it lacks color night vision, unlike pricier models like the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. I recommend the Arlo Video Doorbell 2K for homeowners or renters wanting a reliable, affordable video doorbell with great video quality and easy installation. It's perfect if you're okay with a subscription for premium features or want to integrate it with Alexa or Google Home. If you need local storage or color night vision, you might want to explore other options. Ready to secure your home? Check out the Arlo Video Doorbell 2K using the link in the description for the best pricing and special promotions from Rick's Review Hub. Clicking that link supports our channel at no extra cost to you. Thanks. If you found this review helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.